What if your biomass waste could power your factory? Biomass waste. Rising energy costs. Is there a better way? From biomass waste to electricity, biomass gives gasification, Syngas gives electricity. So how does biomass gasification work? Drying gives pyrolysis, gives oxidation, gives reduction, a controlled thermochemical conversion process. The result? Combustible syngas. Cooling gives, cleaning gives, conditioning, from biomass waste to usable electricity in one integrated system. 800 kilowatts, biomass gasification power plant, sawmill waste. Gives electricity, approximately 85% diesel replacement, 38 cents. kWh, gives 7 cents. kW. Potential biomass feedstocks, wood waste, rice husk, coconut shell, agricultural residues. Could your industry turn biomass waste into electricity? Tell us about your biomass. Type, moisture, quantity, required power. Turn biomass waste into reliable power.